Welcome back to Motorpedia, the ultimate destination for motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we have something special in store for you as we delve into the captivating world of Aprilia motorcycles. Known for their high-performance machines, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable Italian style, Aprilia has once again pushed the boundaries to bring us their finest creations for the year 2023. So, get ready to embark on a thrilling journey as we unveil the top 7 Aprilia motorcycles that will ignite your passion for the open road. I'm your host from Motorpedia, and together, let's explore the very best that Aprilia Bikes has to offer this year. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness the unrivaled Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Coming in at number 1 on our list, this naked sport bike is a true beast that guarantees an exhilarating riding experience. This machine's remarkable qualities extend beyond its incredible engine. The Tuono V4 1100 factory boasts aggressive styling that demands attention wherever it roams. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and controlled ride, allowing you to effortlessly conquer any road or track. And with top-of-the-line brakes, you can rely on the Tuono V4 1100 factory to bring you to a halt swiftly and safely. With every twist of the throttle, the Aprilia Tuono 4 1100 factory exemplifies the perfect fusion of power, precision, and performance. Whether you're seeking the adrenaline rush of the open road or aiming to dominate the racetrack, this phenomenal motorcycle is the ultimate companion for riders who refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. Get ready to experience the pinnacle of two-wheeled excitement with the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Coming in at number 2, we proudly present the Aprilia SX 125, the epitome of lightweight and versatility in the world of supermoto motorcycles. This extraordinary machine is engineered to tackle both on and off road adventures with unmatched fun. The Aprilia SX 125 is armed with a responsive 124cc single-cylinder engine, providing an exhilarating burst of power that will leave you hungry for more. Its aggressive styling commands attention, while the robust chassis ensures exceptional stability and control in any terrain. What sets the SX 125 apart is its ability to seamlessly transition between the thrills of motocross and the demands of city riding. This exceptional motorcycle delivers the heart-pounding excitement of off-road ventures while retaining the practicality needed for urban journeys. Whether you're tearing up the dirt trails or zipping through city streets, the Aprilia SX 125 is the perfect companion for riders who crave both adrenaline and functionality. Get ready to explore the untamed wilderness and conquer the urban jungle with the unbeatable Aprilia SX 125. Moving on to number 3, we have the legendary Aprilia RSV4. This superbike has redefined the meaning of performance and precision, captivating riders around the globe. At the heart of the Aprilia RSV4 lies a mighty 1100cc engine, boasting an astounding 217 horsepower that will leave you breathless. Its acceleration is truly spine, tingling, propelling you forward with an adrenaline, pumping force that sets new benchmarks in the world of superbikes. But it's not just the raw power that makes the RSV4 exceptional. This extraordinary machine is equipped with an advanced electronics package featuring cutting-edge traction control and multiple riding modes. These innovative technologies ensure maximum control and provide the rider with unwavering confidence, allowing you to push the limits and conquer any road or track. RSV4 commands respect with its sleek design and aerodynamic prowess. It's a true masterpiece of engineering, meticulously crafted to deliver a symphony of power, control, and unrivaled performance. This remarkable superbike is the epitome of two-wheeled excellence, setting a new standard that others can only aspire to. Brace yourself for an experience that will redefine your perception of speed and precision. The Aprilia RSV4 awaits, ready to ignite your passion for the open road. Coming in at number 4, we present the extraordinary Aprilia RS 660, a sport bike that seamlessly blends performance and versatility. This magnificent machine is a testament to Aprilia's commitment to delivering an unparalleled riding experience. At the heart of the RS 660 lies a compact and lightweight parallel, an engine packing a punch with its 100 horsepower. This power plant ensures exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling ride that will ignite your passion for speed, designed with aerodynamics in mind. The RS660 cuts through the air with fines, allowing you to effortlessly carve through twisty roads. Its adjustable suspension system delivers exceptional handling and precise control, making every corner a joy to conquer. But it's not just about performance. The Aprilia RS660 also prioritizes safety. Equipped with advanced electronics such as cornering ABS and traction control, this sport bike ensures enhanced stability and confidence, inspiring grip even in challenging riding conditions. With its sleek and aggressive design, the Aprilia RS660 commands attention wherever it goes. This remarkable motorcycle is a true embodiment of the harmony between power, agility, and safety. Get ready to experience the world's best sport bike offers unrivaled performance on the open road. Coming in at number 5 is the Aprilia Dorsoduro 900, a dynamic and exhilarating motorcycle that combines street performance with off-road capabilities. Powered by a potent 900cc V10 engine, this beast delivers impressive torque and acceleration, ensuring a thrilling ride on any terrain. Its advanced suspension system, featuring fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, provides exceptional handling and control, allowing riders to navigate corners with ease. Equipped with ABS brakes, the Dorsoduro 900 ensures optimal stopping power, instilling confidence in all riding conditions. With a generous fuel tank capacity, riders can embark on long journeys without worrying about frequent refueling, and the stylish design of the bike is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The Aprilia Dorsoduro 900 stands out as a remarkable motorcycle in its class, catering to riders seeking a blend of performance, versatility, and style. Coming in at number 6, we have the captivating Aprilia RS125 GT Replica, a sport bike that combines style and performance in a perfect blend. Powered by a responsive 125cc engine, this motorcycle delivers an exhilarating riding experience while maintaining fuel efficiency. Equipped with top-notch suspension, the RS125 GT Replica ensures precise handling and superb control, allowing riders to confidently navigate twists and turns. With ABS brakes offering reliable stopping power, this sport bike ensures optimal safety on the road. Its sleek design, inspired by the racing heritage of Aprilia, turns heads and sets hearts racing, making it a standout on the streets. The Aprilia RS125 GT Replica doesn't just excel in performance, it's also designed with practicality in mind. The ergonomics of the bike offer a comfortable riding position, allowing riders to enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. With its ample fuel tank capacity, the RS125 GT Replica ensures fewer stops at the pump, making it an ideal choice for both daily commuting and thrilling weekend adventure. Furthermore, this sport bike incorporates advanced technology, including a digital instrument panel, providing riders with vital information at a glance. The ERS125 GT Replica is a true testament to Aprilia's commitment to delivering an exceptional riding experience in a stylish package. Moving on to our final contender at number 7, we have the remarkable Aprilia Shiver 900, a naked bike that effortlessly combines versatility and style. With its potent 896cc V-twin engine, this machine strikes a perfect balance between power and comfort, offering an exhilarating ride that will leave you yearning for more. The Shiver 900 takes control to the next level with its ride-by-wire throttle system, providing precise and responsive acceleration that adapts to your every command. The Aprilia Shiver 900 is not just about performance and safety. It's also a work of art on wheels. Its sleek and stylish design turns heads wherever it roams, reflecting Aprilia's commitment to creating motorcycles that are as aesthetically pleasing as they are thrilling to ride. The Aprilia Shiver 900 is the ultimate companion that seamlessly blends practicality, style, and exhilaration. Get ready to experience the Shiver 900 where power, comfort, and style converge in perfect harmony. And there you have it, the top 7 Aprilia motorcycles for 2023. With a range that spans from superbikes to scooters, Aprilia caters to every rider's preference and style. Share your favorite in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to Motorpedia for more thrilling motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and stay tuned for our next adventure.